How to fix Paramount Plus error 6006. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Paramount Plus error 6006. Well, to fix the error 6006 on Paramount Plus, you can try restarting your device and the app, ensuring your device and app are up to date, and checking your internet connection. So first and foremost is to check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have the strong internet connection, so you might try switching network if it is available, or you can check on other apps if you're having the similar problem. Well, if you do, then it might be a connection issue, so you might want to check your internet connection. However, if you have secure connection and strong internet connection and you are still getting the error, you want to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If it is not the issue, if you have checked for updates, if you have strong internet connection, then you might try clearing the cache and cookies of the Paramount Plus app on your browser or the app. Resolve some issues. If you are using a browser, disable any ad blocker extensions. If you are using a PC, you can disable your antivirus firewall temporarily. If you are logged in on several devices at the same time, you may have bandwidth issues. Try logging out of your Paramount Plus account from all devices, then log in again on the one device which you wish to stream content. If none of these steps work, you can contact Paramount Plus support for further assistance. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.